Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. It's so nice to have you. Please take a moment to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way you are notified every time I post a new video. Now, we are back with another tips, tricks, hacks, and facts of beauty, so let's get right into it. For today's tips, tricks, and hacks of everything beauty, we are going to be talking about lip colors. Now, I think all of us struggle to find good lip colors, and we kind of debate whenever we're buying lip colors if we really want them or how much we can use them. Well, here is a simple fix to where you can pretty much DIY your own lip colors. They look beautiful, and you probably already have everything you need in your makeup bag. So what I'm going to be going into is my Alamar blush palette and my Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. So this is what they look like. And are we going to be using eyeshadows and blushes on our lips? Yes, we are. This is what we're going to do. Okay, you can use a brush or you can use your finger. I prefer to use my finger, but let's just say I want more of a peachy color, but I don't have a lipstick that's a peachy color. Now these do come out super opaque, okay? And you're gonna be mixing them with gloss. So if you want more of a matte lip, I'll show you how to achieve that, because you can do it the same exact way and still get a matte lip. On my lips right now, I have the Alamar Cosmetics in Dulce, and this is just a colored lip gloss. You can use a clear lip gloss. You can even use something like this. This is the Tartist Lip Paint, and it's just a clear, shimmery beautifulness. Oh, this is one of my favorites. And then my top favorite of all time is the Dominique Cosmetic lip gloss, and I want to say this one's in Lemonade, I want to say, and good Lord, did she put all the goodness in here, because it smells like heaven. Anyways, what you will do is you can either do the eyeshadow before or after, doesn't matter. So I already have the nude lip gloss on, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go into this color, and I'm going to take my finger and just get a good amount. Do you see? And with that color, let me grab a mirror. With that color, I'm going to tap it onto my lips. Okay? And you can put as much as desired. You can keep packing it on. You can even do an ombre lip. Okay? So if you have your gloss down first and you put the powder or the eyeshadow, blush, whatever powder you decide on top, it's automatically going to make it matte. Okay? So I'm only going to do this bottom lip so you can see how the color changed. So as you can see, that's a beautiful like pink peachy color, and oh, I absolutely love that. This is actually one I wear a lot in the summertime because, man, Alamar Cosmetics, when they do it right. Okay, so as you see, it does not have to be glossy. You can just slap any gloss on and then put the color over, and it still looks beautiful. It has more of a satin finish than the top lip. As you see, it's pure gloss. Okay, so let's say you want a glossy lipstick or a glossy color. What you would go ahead and do is, let me wipe this off. So with my top lip wiped off, I'm gonna go in with the Ace Beauty palette, and there you go, you can see it there. I'm gonna go in with the Ace Beauty palette, and I'm gonna go in with this color named Poppy. Okay, and again, let me grab my mirror. I'm gonna go in with my finger and pat it. Now, if you're gonna be using a lip liner, use the lip liner first to line your lips, which we all know I should be doing right now. But this is just an example, really quick, so I can show you. And I want it just a little bit darker. Okay? It's a messy application, yes, I know. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is grab a lip gloss. Now, since I have a dark color on top, I can either make it more nude with a nude lip gloss, I can sheer it with a pink lip gloss, or I can add glitter or a shimmer. This is more of a shimmer, not glitter, with a shimmery lip gloss. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take the Dominique's Cosmetics Lemonade. I was so right, I didn't even see that. It says lemonade right there. So I'm going to take the Dominique's Cosmetics in Lemonade, and I'm going to apply that over the top of the eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. But as you see, I now have a new lip color using eyeshadow on the lip first, and then putting my choice of lip gloss. So you can mix and match your own lip colors, and you don't have to buy a lip palette. You don't have to go out and buy 1,000 lipsticks. This is the way that I found I absolutely love, and it just works. But like I said, mix and match. You can make your own lip colors. I hope that this has helped you out. If you try this, tag me, let me know if you use it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try it out. And until next time, I hope everybody has a blessed week. Mwah. Besos todos.